Have you ever pressed the Shift key 5 times on a Windows computer and seen a small pop-up appear? That pop-up is called Sticky Keys, a built-in accessibility feature designed to help users with physical challenges. But what most people don't realize is this. That same harmless feature has been abused by hackers for years to completely bypass the Windows login screen without knowing the password. Today on Cybercrime Hub, I'll show you how the Sticky Keys exploit works, why it's so dangerous, and most importantly, how to protect your PC from it. By the end of this video, you'll see why physical access to your computer can be just as dangerous as an online attack. This video is strictly for education and defense. Understanding how attackers think is the first step to staying safe. Section 1. What are sticky keys? Sticky keys is an accessibility feature built into Windows. It allows users to press keyboard shortcuts like Ctrl plus Alt. Delete one key at a time instead of simultaneously. Normally, you activate it by pressing the Shift key 5 times. It was created to help people not harm them. But here's the problem. Sticky keys can be launched before login at the Windows lock screen. And that small design choice opened a massive security hole. Any feature that runs before authentication automatically becomes a potential security risk. Section 2. The Sticky Keys Exploit Explained. Hackers discovered that the Sticky Keys program, called sethc.exe, runs with system-level privileges, meaning it has the highest possible access inside Windows. That means if someone can replace that file with something else like the command prompt, they can gain full control of the computer without ever knowing the login credentials. No password, no login, no user verification. All they need is physical access and a Windows installation USB. Once replaced, pressing Shift 5 times opens command prompt instead of sticky keys, and it launches with administrator rights before any user signs in. From there, attackers can create new admin accounts, reset or remove passwords, disable security features, access, copy, or delete all files. They can even install malware that remains hidden after reboot. Your PC becomes completely exposed. At this stage, Windows treats the attacker as the system owner because the system itself granted the access, not the user. This exploit works because Windows trusts certain accessibility tools implicitly, and once that trust is abused, the entire security model collapses instantly. Section 3. How hackers perform the attack. Here's how the attack typically works. 1. The attacker boots your PC using a Windows installation USB. 2. They open repair mode. 3. They access the system files. 4. They replace sethc.exe with cmd.exe.5. They reboot the system. 6. At the login screen, they press Shift 5 times. 7. Command prompt opens with full system privileges. At that point, the computer is fully compromised. This attack doesn't require advanced hacking skills. That's what makes it so dangerous. Anyone with basic technical knowledge and a USB drive can perform this attack in minutes. Section 4. Why this exploit is so dangerous. This exploit bypasses one of the most basic protections, the login screen. Antivirus software doesn't stop it. Firewalls don't detect it. Passwords don't matter, because the attack happens offline, before Windows even fully loads. If your laptop is stolen or left unattended, this method can give attackers everything. That's why cybersecurity experts classify this as a physical access exploit, and physical access always equals high risk. Once physical security fails, digital security usually follows. Section 5. Who is most at risk? You're especially vulnerable if your device is not encrypted. You use older versions of Windows. You don't use BIOS or UEFI passwords. Your laptop is frequently taken to public places. You rely only on a Windows password for security. Businesses, schools, and shared computers are prime targets, but individual users are just as exposed. Laptops used for work, travel, or school are the most common victims. Section 6. How to protect yourself. Now the most important part, defense. Here's how to protect your PC from the sticky keys exploit. Enable full disk encryption BitLocker. This prevents attackers from accessing system files, even with a USB. Set a BIOS or UEFI password. This blocks unauthorized booting from USB devices. Disable sticky keys at the login screen. You can turn off the shortcut so it can't be triggered before login. Keep Windows updated. Security patches reduce exploit opportunities. Use strong physical security. Never leave your device unattended in public spaces. Security is layered. One setting alone is not enough. Think of security like a door with multiple locks, not just one. Section 7. Why awareness matters. The sticky keys exploit proves an important lesson. Not all hacks happen online. Some attacks are simple, old, and physical, but still extremely effective. Hackers don't always need complex malware. Sometimes they just need knowledge and opportunity. The more you understand these techniques, the harder it becomes for attackers to succeed. Awareness turns you from an easy target into a hard one. So next time you see the sticky keys pop up, remember it's not just an accessibility feature. In the wrong hands, it can be a powerful attack vector capable of exposing your entire system in seconds. If this video helped you understand how hackers bypass Windows security, share it with someone who uses a laptop or desktop every day, especially students, professionals, and remote workers. Hit like, subscribe to Cybercrime Hub, and turn on notifications for more practical cybersecurity education designed to keep you one step ahead of attackers. Stay safe, stay smart, stay protected.